This channel is kindly sponsored by KA.Models.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie, folks. Oh yes. And this is from James and Aleisha over at JC Bricks and Builds, or JA Miniatures, whichever handle you want to call them. And they've sent me a box of goodies, folks. So we'll get this to one side. We'll open it up and we'll start bringing in what we got, folks, okay? So in the meantime, big love and hugs to James and Aleisha. I got some goodies here. These are for Fox, so I'm going to box these up and ship them over to him. So Fox, if you're watching, mate, you're getting some goodies. And I'm not going to tell you what they are. So anything I come across marked up for Foxy Call, I will put to one side and I will send up for him. First up, we have got nicely wrapped, I must admit. Let's have a looky look what we're going on with. He's been out with a 3D printer, hasn't he? Oh, look at that. That's the Friday Frolicking logo. Look at that. Festa Fox and the Friday Frolickers, folks. This is our new thumbnail that we've got going on. And he's done me it as a base. Look at that. Oh, that is mint. You legend. Oh, mate, I'll be getting the primer out and getting that painted on the Frolic. Mate, you know this. Look at that, folks. Oh, that'll be a laugh doing that, mate. He's a ledge. Because James came up with the concept of this logo that is the centrepiece of our new thumbnail on the Friday Frolic, folks. So, yeah, big props to James for that. I'll wrap it up to protect it. He certainly knows me well, doesn't he? Put that nice and safe, and I shall keep these all nice and safe. Got a bag of goodies here. Oh, I have made them by the look of that. Excuse me. Look at this, folks. Eddie did. It's all keyed out, ready for the backpack to go on and all of that. Look, there's his canister. Oh, mate, these are beautiful. Really are. Get these all together. There's his feet. His backpack. Look at that. Absolutely stunning, mate. So just key that all together, see, and you can put his feet, his arms, his legs and all of that lot in there and build him up quite nicely. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail on it. Yeah, nicely done, mate. That is stunning, seeing that this goes across his back like so. That is gorgeous, mate. We got some more stuff here. We've got wheels and cannons and all of that lot going on. Hands. This looks like a base. So I've got a feeling this could well be him, the trooper. I could be wrong. Let's have a looky look. Got a big old base going on there. See, there's all the dead folks and all of that lot. Big old base going on. Look at that. You can see where things are going to stand up on it. So if I move the packaging, we'll try and get to see this all together, folks. Got some more stuff going on here. Really is amazing what you can do with a 3D printing. How how it's came on in the last few years. It's really quite phenomenal even. There's Festa there with the old axe giving it the beans. That's Festa Orc playing his mad axeman role. Honestly, mate, I'm going to have so much fun doing these. Yeah, we'll get them all primed up, James, and we'll start doing a load of these on the live streams, mate. Just goes to show you, folks, what you can do. Obligatory pork pie hat on there, giving it large. Just think I'll get paint tattoos all on him as well, James. That'd be a laugh, wouldn't it, doing them bad boys? So that's Festa there, giving it large. Some more work there. This is the flag for the trooper himself. So it's going to be held out with his arm there. I've got the tip there. I just need to super glue that back on. That will go on there like so. So we'll get that repaired. So that's the flag for the trooper there. So let's just try and roll that up nice and neat. Like that. I don't want to lose any of the delicate parts. It looks like it's the complete diorama here of what I've got tattooed on my arm with the cannon and all of that not going around. That's all it looks like we've got going on. Let's just get my old knife of cutting this, I think. There's his legs, like so, so they'll go up underneath his tool, so they'll go up like so. He'll sort of stand somewhat like that, and then we can get that all painted up. So that's his legs to go with all of that. We got his hands there with a flagpole and his sword all going on there. So I'll keep them in the bag just to protect them. But this is all trooper related. That's the frolicers. Just make sure nothing else is labelled up for Lord Foxykins. And I can assure you, James, I'll get that shipped up to him, mate. His lordship now will be sitting there going, what have I got, what have I got? He'll be busting my, you know what, nearly said it then, to try and wheedle out of me what it is. I ain't going to tell him. That's for him. That's for his video when he does it. That's Festa doing a Marcus. Look at that. The detail is beautifully done. It really is. Little Festa up there, basically saying, yeah, you want some of me, do you? So another one there I'll be painting. I'll get these all primed up and ready for the Warhammer shows. Let's just put that safely there. And we've got a little bag of goodness over here. And there's the matey laying on the ground. Look at the detail of these big old mutton chops there. And he lays across the ground. There's a key for him somewhere. I think it's just there. So that he lays somewhat like so. Across the base there, looking rather brown bread, doesn't he? Bless his heart. Could be the other way round, Cole, couldn't it? Yeah, it is. Melt. Like that even. There you go. With his head hanging over the edge there, bless his heart. So he's proper deaded. So that's him. So we can get him painted. What I'll do is I'll paint him off the base, detail him all up, and then we'll lay him on and get him all sorted. But again, you know, for a stiff, yeah, he's pretty much got a lot of detail in him, and he's proper a ye old schooly, isn't he? with his big old mutton chop side he's going on. So that's him. So that's all part of the Trooper Dio. There's something tucked in the bottom there. Let's have a look. I very nearly missed that. Spearhead, it says their premium set. Look at that, folks. Let's just move young Edward over there for the minute. And bring you in. Oh my God, look at that. Let's just bring that in. Let's just move the box out. This is a big old figure there. Looks like, what's that say? Ionis Cryptborn. It's that big old beastie there. Look at that. Oh my God. And there's how it all goes together. Like so. Big old wingage. He knows I'm getting into me creatures, doesn't he? He's a mind reader, young James. I know he said he had subscribed to this, and there might be something coming my way, but look at that. What a thing of beauty. And then it shows you how to paint it all with all the different base colours and that. So if you're new to Warhammer, this is going to be for you. What I'll do on this is I'll do a full review video of this, I think. Just so that those out there that are into the Age of Sigmar Warhammer stuff can see how it goes together, and if it's the first thing they're painting, I'll do it as a step-by-step, window-by-window type video. If that's something folks will be interested in, leave a comment below on this video for me. And if it's something you're interested in me doing, I will sit and do it that way. Why not? Because, you know, there are people out there that want to get into painting that might not have done it. And we all see videos online where it's a short 1 minute video. Here's a dot of yellow. That's the yellow all painted. Great, don't get me wrong, but some people want that full in-depth, step-by-step type video, and I'll happily do that for you, especially on something like this. And this is what we're going to end up with, folks. So what I'll do is I'll go through this. I'll make sure I've got all the colours that I need. There'll probably be some paint call-outs in here somewhere. And we can get the colours all arranged. There's the lore. Actually, we go, oh, there's lore in there, Carl. So yeah, we'll do that. I think we'll go through, work out all our paint colours, and we'll get everything sorted out. So big thank you for that, James. Let's have a look at said sprues. There's one there with all the wingage, all the tail detail, all the scales and everything. And look at the membrane of the skin of the wings, all cracked and torn and weathered. Absolutely beautiful. Said base. Do a bit of basing on that, and then you've got the next sprue there with all the torso and stuff like that going on, folks. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So there you go, folks. What a lovely gift. Thank you so much, James. Yeah. Absolutely blown away, mate. And yeah, I'm going to have many hours of fun doing this, mate. And you know you're going to get maximum pimpage whilst I'm doing these videos, mate. Don't forget, there's a link to his channel down there, folks. So go and share the love. Big thanks to you. Big thanks to Aleisha, and a big wave for Shania. So, folks, there you go. That is a lovely gift from James and Aleisha. Until next time, I will bid you farewell. Don't forget, like, share, hype and subscribe to the channel and video. All helps keep this channel going, folks. And until then, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye for now. blown away. Absolutely stunning.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,